Hi everyone, today I will try to make a stir-fried small octopus. Generally, it is called 쭈꾸미볶음 in Korean. When you are on a diet, 쭈꾸미 is also good for you. Okay, let's get started. Ingredients are veggies and 쭈꾸미. You can put any veggies you'd like. I used salt to remove dirt of 쭈꾸미. After wash them, you can find cleaned 쭈꾸미. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. In the boiling water, cook them for 20 seconds for chewing taste. For your special sauce, put red pepper paste, red pepper powder, soy sauce, chopped garlic, cooking wine, sugar, honey, black pepper, sesame oil, and chopped green onion. Mix them all together. Put sauce to 쭈꾸미 and mix them. For maturing 쭈꾸미 with sauce, keep them for 30 minutes. Okay, batch time. As I mentioned before, put any veggies. Cook them on medium heat for 5 minutes. And then put 쭈꾸미 to the pan. Cook them on medium heat and stir them not to burn for 3 minutes. For distinctive taste, I used some lettuce. Lastly, I put some sesame seed for better flavor. If you like Korean spice food, this is good for you. It's tasty and healthy. Okay, now it's your turn.